Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's RuthNanda here, aka Lo. What's good? What's poppin'? How you doing, sis? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for checking another video out of mine. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you're interested on how to take care of your natural hair on a budget, sis, and save your coins. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload on my channel. So let's get into today's video.
Black on black, black my thoughts so black.
So in this first video, y'all, I'll be showing you guys how I take down my braids, my protective style, and care for my hair. Now we'll be using some black owned brands in this video. Some of these black owned brands I have used before and some of them I have not used before, so I'm trying them for the first time, and yeah, they did good, sis. They really did. So if you guys want to see how I take down my protective style, definitely make sure you keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, guys, because you know your sis be trying on the consistency, okay? And you know you want to join Lo Gang over here because we keep it cute or keep it on mute all the time, okay? So yes, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys, and make sure you keep watching if you want to see how I take my protective style down. Okay, Lego. So let's take this protective style down, you guys. So the first thing I'll be doing is removing my braids. I just want to show you how I know where to start to cut the braids at. Where you completely see just synthetic hair is when I start to cut. I don't go past that because I don't want to risk cutting my own hair because I've done it before and that ain't cute, sis, okay? So I just make sure I don't cut where I don't need to, okay? And then I just gently unravel my hair, and then I think do a little bit of finger detangling, and I use this Mielle deep detangling co-wash on my hair as a detangler because it doesn't work as well for me as a co-wash, so I just use it for detangling my hair, and that's how much hair I have shedded. Then I move into cleansing my hair, y'all. So this is the first time I'm ever using Jane Carter Solution brand, and I must say I really like their products. Like, my hair is very moisturized and hydrated while I'm shampooing, and I can finger detangle, which is a plus, okay? And guess what, y'all, they are black owned, so that's a plus, okay? And I'm also using the conditioner, which also has some good slip to help me detangle my hair, which I really like. Like, I'm really shocked at how good these products are. I also use the Mielle hydrating conditioner on top of that because I just wanted some extra slip, and this product is also like really good for slip and moisture, okay? My hair is always hydrated whenever I use the Mielle hydrating conditioner, and y'all, they also black owned, okay? We need to be supporting our black companies because of what's going on in our community and our society today. It's a hot mess, y'all. Let's put some money back into our black people, okay? So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and sit under the hair dryer for about 20 to 25 minutes and just get some heat on there, and then this is the finished look. Pretty much put some leave-in on and I styled my hair, but in reality this is not my hair, so let me know if you want to see the style and how I use those clip-ins, boo. So kisses from me to you, bye.